This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNN Live. We're at the Dawson James Small Cap Growth Conference 2016 in Jupiter, Florida. I have with me Richard Aulicino from Dawson James Securities. And by the way, this is a Wall Street view. Rich, welcome to SNN Live.
Thanks for having me on, Shelley.
It's good to have you. You know, I want to start out by saying, well, here we are in the middle of the Dawson James conference, and I have you on, and it's good to have you. And what I'd like to do to start with is find out who Dawson James is for our audience. Tell us a little bit about the firm.
Dawson James is a boutique investment banking firm. We specialize in biotech and healthcare.
Now, what do you do in the firm?
I'm the national sales manager.
You're handling the retail side?
Yes.
Okay, so you're handling a retail brokers.
That's correct.
So what's going on in this day and age in the retail brokerage business? Because you hear stories. You don't see a lot of growth in firms. What is so different about Dawson James?
Well, retail is alive and well, despite what many think. The business is thriving, and investors are looking for ideas, and ideas that you can't find by buying on E-Trade. You need to talk to a live person and get your information.
So how do you grow your retail brokerage business?
Well, one of the great things about Dawson James is, we have proprietary product. So it's not product that clients can get from any firm or on their E-Trade account. They need to come to Dawson James. We do a number of underwritings every year, and with product that you can't get anywhere else. And we're finding great companies that are growing and doing very well.
You know, the biotech, medtech, pharma, life sciences, healthcare, whichever way you want to call it, it's been an interesting market for a lot of years. It has its ups, it has its downs. You're finding now that there's a need and an interest by investors, and they want to speak to retail brokers?
A huge need. The space is growing very rapidly. Technology is growing at a pace that's not been seen before. And there are medical advancements that are happening and will continue to happen. And again, at a rate that we've not seen before, which is a huge opportunity for investors to get involved in a company at an early stage or a relatively early stage and benefit from their growth.
Now, I know your main office is based in Florida, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And where are your offices around the country?
We have offices in New York City and in Maryland as well.
So are you on a national footprint?
Yes.
So how does a broker come to Dawson James?
Well, you can contact us through our website. You can reach me, and be happy to speak to any individuals that be interested in coming over.
So let's go over it one more time. If I'm a young guy or I have an established book in the business, why would I come to Dawson James?
The principal reason, aside from the fact we're a very broker-friendly firm, we understand what the job entails, and we're very supportive. But mainly product, which I alluded to before. We have product that is not available to everybody on the street, and you have an opportunity as a broker to call your client with product that they are unable to get from another firm. And, we do have some substantial institutional participation in our deals. It's a great opportunity.
Question. In this day and age, you're doing IPOs and secondaries and all other kinds of capital raising. So it's an assortment of kind of underwritings, correct?
Correct.
So expand on that.
We primarily do secondary offerings of various types. There are offerings called CMPOs, which are confidentially marketed public offerings. Secondaries, we do IPOs as well, although not as frequently, and we probably do 25 deals a year, give or take a few.
Do you do uplistings?
We do uplistings as well, yes.
So you can take an OTC markets company and move it up to NASDAQ? Is that sort of what
that is one of the things we do. We are active in the uplisting space, and as long as they meet the NASDAQ requirements, and they're a solid growing company, we can make things happen.
So for more information, which website would you like to give out?
DawsonJames.com.
That was simple. Ladies and gentlemen, Richard Aulicino, Dawson James Securities. This is a Wall Street View. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNN Live, and we're coming to you live from the Dawson James Small Cap Growth Conference 2016 right here in Jupiter, Florida. Rich, thanks for coming on.
Thank you, Shelley.
You're quite welcome.